Hi guys, this is the part 2 video of Bonko Babu's friend. So we're gonna start up from the point we have left, okay? So so we were at the point when he was, left by an electric current and he wasn't able to even move and he was fixed, he was made immobile. So a few moments later, Bonko Babu still fixed swiftly at the same point, same spot, saw that the object had gradually stopped breathing. All at once his ears ceased ringing and the humming stopped. So उसके बाद उसने देखा कि he was still gazing at the same spot and the object had gradually stopped breathing. मतलब breathing in the sense उसको लग रहा था कि those humming sounds were his breaths and everything. So उसने उसको change किया अपने thinking process को and he has thought कि he had stopped breathing. A second later, a voice spoke, shattering the silence of the night. It sounded human but was extraordinarily thin. Milliping Kruk, it said loudly. Uncle Babu jumped a little. What did it mean? What language was this? And where was the speaker? The next words the voice spoke made his heart jump again. So, that extraterrestrial creature was speaking something in a human voice, but that voice was thin, it was very thin. It was squeaky voice, and he was speaking Millie Pring Kruk. I don't know what does that mean. So, who are you? Who are you? Why? These were English words, was the question addressed to him. Bonko Babu swallowed. I am Bonko Bihari Datta, sir. Bonko Bihari Datta, he replied. So, again, the creature asked him, who are you in English? And he replied that he was Bonko Bihari Datta. Are you English? Are you English? The voice went on. No, sir, Bonko Babu shouted back. Bengali, sir, a Bengali. So he was repeating his answers that he was Bengali and he was in English. This was followed by a short pause. Then the voice came back, speaking clearly, Namaskar. So that Namaskar was Bengali. People they say Namaskar. Right? Namaskar. Bongo Babu heaved a sigh of relief and returned the greeting. Namaskar, he said, suddenly realizing that the invisible bonds that were holding him tightly had disappeared. He was free to run away, but he did not. Now he astounded eyes could see that a portion of the glass mount was sliding to one side, opening like a door. So, from this, we can understand that that extraterrestrial creature was inside his spaceship and he wasn't out. That's why Bonku Bihari was not able to see that who was the speaker. So, when the creature made him mobile again, so he was feeling he could move his hands and he could move again, and he thought that he can run away, but he didn't. And the portion of the glass moon was sliding, and the door opened. Through that door emerged a head like a plain smooth ball and then the body of a wheat creature. So this entire paragraph is the description of the extraterrestrial creature, that is creature Ang. Its arms and legs were amazingly thin, with the exception of its head. Its whole body was covered by a shiny pink outfit. Instead of ears, it had tiny holes on each of its head, and the face were two holes where there should have been a nose and another gaping hole instead of a mouth. There was no sign of hair anywhere. Its eyes were round and bright yellow. They appeared to be glowing in the dark. So he was actually spooky. He didn't have a single, strand of hair. His arms and legs were very thin. Instead of the ears, it had holes. Instead of mouth, it had a hole, but had large yellow eyes. The creature walked slowly towards Pongo Babu and stopped only a few feet away. Then it gave him a steady, unblinking stare. स्त्री देखी स्त्री ऐसे ऐसे देखती रहती थी. Exactly that way. Then it gave him a steady, unblinking stare. Automatically, Bonko Babu found himself folding his hands. भाई हाथ जोड़ लिया मैंने कहा भाई ये पता नहीं कौन है मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ ऐसे हाथ जोड़ा था ठीक है. Having stared at him for nearly a minute, it spoke in the same voice that sounded more like a flute than anything else. Are you human? Yes. Is this Earth? Yes. Ah, I thought as much. My instruments are not working properly. See, this paragraph describes about the malfunctioning in a space shuttle. Okay, so he was supposed to go to Pluto. He wasn't sure where he had landed, so he spoke to him first in the language they used on Pluto. So I'm telling you in the in the passive voice. I'm not narrating in the active voice. When he didn't reply, he could tell that he had landed on Earth. Okay, a complete waste of time and effort. It had happened once before. Instead of going to Mars, he veered off and went to Jupiter. It delayed him by a whole day. Hey, hey, hey. So I narrated the entire para in a passive voice to make you understand. But from his point of view, he told that it had happened earlier also, that he was going to Mars, but he went off to Jupiter, मतलब वहाँ land हो गया, and it is a waste of time because he had wasted a day, entire day at Jupiter. That he laughed. It was an eerie laugh. Hey, hey, hey. Not like this. Bongo Babu did not know what to say. He was feeling quite uncomfortable, for the creature had reached out and was examining Bongo Babu's arms and leg with his long bony fingers. When it finished, it introduced itself. I am Ang from planet Cranius, a far superior being than man. So he gave his introduction that he was Ang, a far more superior being, coming from a planet named Cranius, and he had long bony fingers. You can write in his character sketch also. What? This creature, barely 4 feet tall, with such thin limb and weird face, was superior to man? Bonko Babu nearly burst out laughing. तो Bonko Babu तो गधा था. What I believe. Ang read his mind immediately. There is no need to be spectacle. I can prove it. How many languages do you know? बोला अच्छा मुझे कम समझ रहे हो, बताओ कितने लैंग्वेजेस आते हैं. So Bonko Babu scratched his head, said Bengali, English, and Hindi. You mean 2.5? Yes. इसमें थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है, इसे 2.5. तो भाई क्या बात है. Yes, I know 14,000. There isn't a single language in our solar system that I do not know. I also know 31 languages spoken on planets outside your system. I've been to 25 of them. How old are you? इतना बोलते ही 14,000 आती है, मुझे सोलर सिस्टम की सारी भाषाएं आती हैं. और फ्लेक्सिंग हिज, ही सेड क्या उम्र है तुम्हारी? He said I'm 50. So another point to be noted, I told you in the first video that he was 50 years old and since 22 years he was teaching. I am 833. Do you eat animals? एक आंसर खत्म नहीं हो रहा, दूसरा क्वेश्चन चेप दे रहा है. एक्चुअली मतलब मैं 833 ईयर्स का हूँ, 833 साल का. 833. यार तुम क्या जानवर खाते हो? So Banko Babu had mutton curry only recently on the day of Kali Puja. Yes, well, I'm also non-vegetarian, and I have my few Bengali friends, and they do have non-veg during Navratris and Kali Puja. How could you deny it? We stopped eating meat several centuries ago, Ang informed him. Before that, we used to eat the flesh of most creatures. I might also have eaten you. इसका मतलब है I might also have eaten you का मतलब है he must have eaten the human species also. तो बता रहा था मैं बहुत पहले खाना बंद कर दिया था. We have stopped eating and we also might have eaten some of your species also. उनको बाबू swallowed hard, मतलब तो उसने अपनी he swallowed his saliva. बहुत उससे कि भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है. Take a look at this. Ang offered him a small object. It looked like a pebble. Banko Babu tested for an instant and felt the same electric current pass through his body. He withdrew his hand at once. It's the same electric current that had made him immobile earlier when you saw that pink light, है ना, जब वो वहाँ बैम्बू ग्रोव के पास गया था. तो उसको सेम वही चीज़ फील हुई. अब उसको समझ आ रहा है कि भाई क्यों ऐसा हुआ. And Ang smiled. A little while ago, you could not move an inch. You know why? It was because I had this little thing in my hand. It would stop anyone from getting closer. Nothing can be more effective than this in making an enemy utterly powerless without actually hurting them physically. So it says another thing about Ang, his character, कि he isn't violent. बंदा violent नहीं है. बंदा शातिर है. बंदे ने पेबल यूज करी. That's a device that makes his enemy immobile. तो भाई ना उसको तुमने hurt किया ना कुछ किया, he can't move. जब हिला ही नहीं पाएगा अपना कुछ, तो क्या कर लेगा? क्या उखाड़ लेगा? Now, Banko Babu was genuinely taken aback. His mind was coming out of its stunned state. So he was slowly coming into his senses. अपने होश में आ रहा था कि भाई आखिर चल क्या रहा है. अभी तक तो वो एकदम होश में खो बैठा था कि भाई ये धरती पे क्या हो गया. कौन से विलेज कंगुरगाची. हाँ वही है ना, यहाँ पे इस गांव में हो क्या गया आखिर. Now Banko Babu was genuinely taken aback. हाँ ठीक है. Ang said, "Is there any place that you have wish to visit or a scene that you have longed to see but never could?" So अब देखो यहाँ स्टोरी वाला मैंने बताया था ना कि कैसे इमेजिनेशन कर रहा है, वो कैसे बता रहा है. So Banko Babu thought why the whole world remained to be seen. He thought geography, but had he seen except a few villages and town in Bengal. मतलब वो बंदा कोलकाता में बंगाल में रहता था. उसने फिर बंगाली ठीक से नहीं देखा है. और ज्योग्राफी का टीचर है, भूगोल पढ़ाता है. There was so much in Bengal itself that he had never had chance to see. The snow-capped Himalayas, the seashore at Digha, the forest in the Sundarbans, or even that famous banyan tree in the botanical gardens of Shibur. ये सब चीज़ें थी जो उसने नहीं देखी थी. तो जब उसने बंगाल में रह के बंगाली नहीं देखा तो बाहर क्या देखेगा जाके. However, he mentioned none of these thoughts to Ang. There's so much I would like to see, finally admitted, but most of all I would like to visit the North Pole. I come from a warm country, you see. So जैसे जैसे वो बोल रहा था कि मैं भाई यहाँ गर्मी होती है, मैं वार्म कंट्री से आता हूँ, मुझे वहाँ नॉर्थ पोल देखना है. और वहाँ की स्टोरी सुना था ना वो. So Ang took out a small tube, one end of which was covered by a piece of glass. It was like a telescope, है ना. Take a look through this. Ang invited. Bonko Babu peered through the glass and felt all his hair rise. मतलब रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. Hair rise का मतलब वहाँ गूस पिंपल था, ये गूस बम की तरह के सारे बाल खड़े हो गए. भाई क्या हो रहा है? Could this be true? Could he really believe his eyes? Before him stretched an endless expanse of snow, dotted with large hillocks also covered with ice and snow. मतलब उसको क्या लग रहा है, उसके सामने क्या है. मतलब तो आपने कभी you have you ever been to aeroplane के साथ नेपाल में? You can see the line of the carpet of snow over the Himalayas and everything. Above him, against a deep blue sky, all the colors of rainbow were forming different patterns, changing every second. He could see all the colors of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. साथ में है purple भी. ये मिकी माउस का गाना है. The aurora borealis, what was that? An igloo. Igloo भी देखा. Aurora borealis और the northern lights है ना, जो solar storms की वजह से जो sun से आती है उसकी वजह से बनती है, because of earth magnetism and solar flares. A strange, these are electrons that are moving. A strange, peculiar creature. It was a walrus. There were two of them, in fact, and they were fighting. Their tusks were bad, large as radishes. मूली की तरह इतनी लंबी थे उनके tusk. And they were attacking each other. Streams of bright red blood were flowing on the soft white snow. इतना लड़ लिए थे, इतना लड़ झगड़ लिए थे, मार डाले थे कि ये खून बहने लगा था. और खून बहने लगा था तो soft white snow पे लाल खून की नदियां बह रही थी. सी हाउ एक्सेप्शनल इमेजिनरी वो सत्यजीत रे वॉज, कि इतनी सुंदर तरीके से लिखते हैं वो कहानी. लिखते थे. It was December and Mongo Babu was looking at an area hidden under layers of snow. Still he broke into a sweat. What about Brazil? Don't you wish to go there? अब सी आंख कितना, उसके पास दिमाग कितना था. Maybe he could read mind also. तो उसने तो समझ लिया कि तुम्हें ब्राजील नहीं जाना, तुम्हें तो पिराना देखना था. Mongo Babu remembered instantly piranhas, those deadly carnivorous fish. Amazing. How did this Ang know what he would like to see? Mongo Babu peered through the tube again. He could see a dense forest, only a light scattered. Sunlight had crept in through the almost impenetrable foliage. There was a huge tree and hanging from a branch. What is that? Oh God, he could never have even have imagined the size of that snake. सबसे पहले इसको क्या देखते हैं? एक इतना बड़ा स्नेक एक ट्री से कुछ गिर रहा है. उसको लगा पहले ब्रांच है, तो लगा नहीं ब्रांच नहीं है. God, he could never imagine that size of snake. Anaconda, that name flashed through his mind. Yes, he had read about it in an old issue of National Geographic magazine. It was said to be much, much larger than python. So anacondas, चलो मैंने भी सुना ही है यार, अभी तक देखा नहीं है. But I have seen कि anacondas बहुत मोटे होते हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं और बहुत खतरनाक होते हैं. So there was a canal, crocodile lined with banks, sleeping in the sun. Crocodiles मुंह खोल के सोते रहते हैं सन में, प्लास्टिक की तरह. मैं कभी कभी कंफ्यूज होता हूँ असली की नकली है. खैर, jokes apart, one was going to go into the water splash. Monko Babu could almost hear the noise. मतलब बंदे को आवाज भी आ रही थी. भाई मतलब टेलीस्कोप से देख रहा है, आवाज भी आ रही है, अब क्या ही बोलूं मैं. With his eyes nearly pooping out, Monko Babu noted that there was virtually no flesh left on the belly of the crocodile. Bones were showing through clearly. Attached to the remaining flesh were five fish with amazingly sharp teeth and a monstrous appetite, piranhas. Crocodile धूप सेक रहे थे, पानी में गए छलांग मारे, कुछ ही देर में बाहर आ गया. बाहर क्या आया? उसका कंकाल तंत्र. Its skeleton came out, and piranhas की ravenous and carnivorous teeth were attached to the bones. They were flesh eating, so they have eaten everything. Monko Babu could not bear to watch anymore. His limbs were trembling. His head reeled painfully. Reeled मतलब समझ रहे हो, घूम के उसका वो देख नहीं पा रहा था, उसने हटा दिया. Now, do you believe that we are superior? And wanted to know. Monk Babu ran his tongue over his parched lips. Parched lips सूख गए थे उस डर के मारे. होठ सूख जाते हैं ना. Your sympathetic system activates. Okay, मैं साइंस नहीं, मैं बायो नहीं पढ़ाने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे. Yes, oh yes, certainly, of course, he croaked. मतलब बोला हाँ भाई भाई तुम हो सबसे superior, मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना. Very well, look, I have been observing you and I have examined your arms and legs. You belong to a much inferior species. There is no doubt about that. Examine कर लिया भाई, उसके मुकाबले तो inferior था ही. क्या ही बोलेगा. Sorry for that. However, as human beings go, and you're not too bad. I mean, you are a good man, but you have a major fault. You are much too meek and mild. See, जो character बता रहा है, उसने भी मिला भी नहीं ठीक से, character बता रहा है. That is why you have made so little progress in life. You must always speak up against injustice and protest if anyone hurts or insults you, without any provocation. To take things quietly is wrong, not just for man, but for any creature anywhere. Anyway, it was nice to have met you, although I wasn't really supposed to be here at this time. There's no point in wasting more time on your earth. I had better go. तो इतने ही पैराग्राफ में वो ऐसे सीख दे देता है बंकू बाबू को कि वो होश उड़ा देता है सबके इन द क्लाइमैक्स. पर इतना बोल के उसने एग्जामिन कर लिया था. उसने कैरेक्टर स्केचेस में हमने तो जो अपने तरफ से सीखा था अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स और उसके डरा नहीं था, वो सब चीज़ें अलग है. पर एक बाहर क्या एक क्रीचर ने उसके बारे में क्या उसको एग्जामिन ही तो किया था. एक इन्फीरियर स्पीसीज बताया था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी बोला था कि तुम एक इंसान अच्छे हो. दिक्कत क्या है तुम्हारे में कि तुम भाई लोगों के अत्याचार सहते हो, है ना. ऑल ही डजंट स्पीक अप अगेंस्ट द इनजस्टिस एंड एवरीथिंग. गुड बाय मिस्टर हैंग, आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू हैव मेड योर. इतना बोलते बोलते था कि वो चला गया. Ponko Babu could not complete his sentence in less than a second almost before he could grasp what was happening. Anger leapt into his spaceship and treasure over Poncha Ghosh's bamboo groove. Then he vanished completely. Bongo Babu realized that the crickets had started chirping again. It was really quite late. बंदे का होश ही उड़ गया। भाई वो खत्म करने जा रहा था कि अच्छा हुआ आपसे मिलके। उतनी देर में वो कूदा, पहुंचा घोष के बैम्बू ग्रोव के ऊपर से गया, लापता। और जैसे ही वो गया, क्रिकेट्स वापस बोलने लगे, सब कुछ वापस होने लगा। So Banco Babu resumed walking towards his home, his mind still in a wondrous haze. उसके लिए तो सपना ही था सब कुछ. Slowly the full implications of the recent events began to sink in. A man? No, it was not a man. It was an Ang. Had come here from some unknown planet and spoken to him. How extraordinary, how completely incredible. There were billions and billions of people in the world, but who got the chance to have this wonderful experience? Optimistic था, है ना? Banco Bihari Datta, the teacher of geography and Bengali in the Kankurgachi village primary school. ये पूरा है भांगो बिहारी के बारे में। इतना लिख देंगे ना एग्जामिनर तो चुम्मी ले लेगा आपकी। नो वन एल्स फ्रॉम टुडे एटलीस्ट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मैटर ही वाज यूनिक इन द होल वर्ल्ड। तो उसको लग रहा था कि भाई इतने अरबों खरबों लोग हैं, उनमें से खाली मुझे ही मौका मिला। आई एम सो लकी, आई एम सो आई एम सो मच blessed. He was feeling blessed. Bonko Babu realized that he was no longer walking with a spring in every step. He was actually dancing. The next day was a Sunday. Everyone had turned up for their usual meeting at Shripati's Babu's home. There was a report in the local paper about a strange light, but it was only a small report. This light had been seen by a handful of people in only 2 places in Bengal. It was therefore being put in the same category as sightings of flying saucers. Flying saucers मतलब वो flying dishes होती है ना, UFO, unidentified flying objects, तो उनको प्लेट जैसा बोलते हैं, उड़न तश्तरी बोलते हैं ना, उसीलिए saucers लिखा है। Tonight Pancha Ghosh was also present at the meeting. उन्हीं के ग्रुप में मिला था। All the bamboos, he was talking about his bamboo grove, all the bamboos around the pond in the middle of the wood had lost all their leaves. It was not unusual for leaves to drop off in the winter, but for so many plants to become totally bare overnight was certainly a remarkable occurrence. अभी बताता हूँ मैं पूरा. Everyone was talking about it, but suddenly Bhairav Chakravarti said, "Why is Bonku so late?" नेक्स्ट डे संडे था, है ना, तो पेपर में छपा था। भाई लाइट दिखी थी, तो एक दो लोगों ने इंसिडेंटली रिपोर्ट किया था कि इंसिडेंटल रिपोर्टिंग्स थे शहर में से कि पीपल आर देयर एंड दे मस्ट हैव सीन अ फ्लाइंग ऑब्जेक्ट देयर एंड देयर वाज सपोज्ड टू बी अ लाइट समवेयर, जो भी था। बट पौंचा घोष, सॉरी नॉट बाबू, पौंचा घोष, तो पौंचा घोष हैड डिफरेंट मिजरी एक्चुअली कहूँगा कि भाई उसके एक तो बैम्बू ग्रूव्स थे, उनमें से पत्तियां, ठंडी का मौसम, तो लीव्स weren't supposed to be shed, है ना, so leaves were shed. And not only about bamboo, there were many other plants even whose leaves were shed, so that was not normal. It was not normal for the weather. So he claimed that something was unusual, and then Bhairav Chakravarti said कि भाई बोंको बाबू क्यों नहीं आए, हमारा मनोरंजन तो वही करता है, बोंको बाबू गायब आए। Everyone stopped talking. So far, no one had noticed Bongo's absence. देखो, अब मजे की बात देखो, आयरनी हल्की से देखो कि everyone stopped talking. So far, no one had noticed Bongo Babu's absence. Bongo Babu की absence किसी नोटिस नहीं करी। क्यों नहीं करी? क्योंकि एक अच्छा टॉपिक चल रहा था कि भाई कुछ दिखा है ऊपर आसमान में, क्यों नहीं तो सोचा उसके बारे में। I don't think Bunkum will show his face here today. Didn't he get an earful yesterday when he tried to open his mouth? He said निधि बाबू ने मजाक किया कि भाई कल मुंह खोला था तो इतना सुना था, आज क्यों ही आएगा? No, 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 no. Shripati Babu sounded concerned. We must have Bongo. I'm gonna go and see if we can get hold of him. श्रीपति ने कहा भाई उसी की वजह से अम्यूजमेंट होता है, उसकी वजह से हमारी महफिल की रौनक आती है, उसी पे तो मजे करते हैं। वही नहीं आएगा तो फिर क्या होगा? Okay, I'll go as soon as I have my tea, replied Ramkaran and was about to take a sip when Bongo Babu entered in a room. ये पैराग्राफ कैरेक्टर आयरनी दिखाता है, बहुत अच्छे से इसको मार्क करना, ठीक है। ईच वर्ड इज इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट टू से एंटर्ड वुड बी रॉन्ग, एंटर्ड तो सबसे पहले गलत है, ही डिडंट एंटर, इट वाज एज इफ अ स्मॉल हरिकेन स्वेप्ट इनसाइड, not even the small hurricane entered, a small hurricane swept inside in the guise of a short dark man, throwing everyone into stunned silence. Short dark man, 50 years old, डाल देना कैरेक्टर स्केच में, ठीक है। और स्मॉल हरिकेन, भवंडर आ गया, स्वेप्ट मतलब सब उड़ा के ले गया, तो बता रहा है मतलब एक ऑथर एक इंसाइट दे रहा है कि आगे से क्या होने वाला है, ठीक है। पर हाँ, then it swung into action. Who swung into action? Bonko Babu as a hurricane. शुरू कर दिया अपना तमाशा करना, ठीक है। Bonko Babu burst into guffaw and laughed unuproariously for a whole minute. guffaw मतलब बिना बात के ऐसे ही हंस लिया, ठीक है। The like of which no one had ever heard before, not even Bonko Babu himself. वो हंसी इतनी रेयर थी, बेचारे बोंको बाबू ने खुद ही नहीं सुनी थी। बोंको बाबू पागल हो गया था। When he could finally stop, he cleared his throat and began speaking. अब पेंसिल आपके रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, इसके बाद से तो आपको मुझे लगता है कि हर एक चीज़ एकदम कंठस्थ हो जानी चाहिए। Friends, I have great pleasure in telling you that this is the last time you will see me at your meetings. I'll tell you line by line that this is the last time you'll see me. मैं इसके बाद you'll not gonna see me. अब नहीं देखोगे मुझे. The only reason I'm here today is simply that I would like to tell you a few truths before I go. लोग जाने से पहले, अलविदा करने से पहले मैसेज देते हैं, ये सच्चाई बताने आए हैं. So he was that person who was there to speak the truths. Number one, this is for all of you. सबके लिए है. You all speak a great deal of absolute rubbish. तुम सबके सब बकवास करते हो. You all utter rubbish. Only idiots talk of things they don't know anything about. खाली गधे ही वो बातें करते हैं जिनके बारे में आपको खुद नहीं पता होता है. And you all are idiots. You talk about things which you don't even know about. Number two, this is for Chandi Babu. At your age, hiding other people's shoes and umbrellas is not just childish, but totally stupid and wrong. Kindly return my umbrella and brown canvas shoe to my house tomorrow. And this was another bully. That Chandi Babu भाई, अगर वो 50 साल का है, उसके फेलो मेट्स हैं 2-4 साल ऊपर नीचे, इतना ही तो एज होगी चंडी बाबू की भी. पर इस उम्र में वो भाई ऐसी हरकतें कर रहे हैं कि उसके जूते अम्ब्रेला छुपा दे रहा है. ये क्या बात हुई भाई? ये उस पर शोभा नहीं देता है ना. तो वही बता रहे हैं कि भाई बच्चे भी ऐसा काम नहीं करते. तुम ऐसा काम करो, खाली चलिश नहीं, स्टूपिड और गलत भी है. तो उसने उसको हड़काया. निधि बाबू, इफ यू कॉल मी बंकम आई शैल कॉल यू निटविट एंड यू मस्ट लर्न टू लिव विद दैट. उसको बंकम बुलाते थे ना, मैंने बताया था, हम लोग फनी नाम बुला रहा था. बोले तुम्हें निटविट बुलाऊं, कैसा लगेगा? तो मैं जीना पड़ेगा उसी के साथ. मैं बुलाऊंगा निटविट ही, फिर हर जगह निटविट बुलाऊंगा. ठीक है. एंड श्रीपति बाबू, यू आर इंपॉर्टेंट मैन, ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव चमचाज, साइको फैंस. चमचाज, you know, चमचाज आर द फीट लिकर्स, साइको फैंस. बट लेट मी टेल यू, फ्रॉम टुडे यू कैन काउंट मी आउट. भाई मुझे तुम बाहर कर दो चमचों में से. आई एम नॉट ए चमचा, आई एम नॉट ए फीट लिकर. ठीक है. इफ यू लाइक आई कैन सेंड माई कैट टू यू. इट्स क्वाइट गुड एट लिकिंग फीट. दैट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेज कि अगर तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा अपने तलवे चटवाने का शौक है. प्रॉपर इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, प्रॉपर देहाती भाषा. इफ़ यू लाइक, अगर तुम्हें अपने पाँव चटवाने का बहुत शौक है तो मैं बिल्ली भेज दूंगा, वो चाट लेगी तुम्हारी पाँव. ठीक है. मैं नहीं आ रहा तुम्हारे चमचों के साथ. आई एम नॉट गोना कम एंड लिक योर फीट एंड से यस एंड admire and accept your everything just like your chamchas and everyone else. If you like, वो तो हो ही गया. And oh, you are here as well, Pancha Babu. Let me inform you and everyone else that last night an ang arrived from the planet Cranius and landed on the pond on your bamboo grove. We had a long chat. The ang was most amiable. So, Banko Babu was not addressing ang as a man. So he was skeptical कि आखिर माजरा क्या है, वो इंसान है भी कि एलियन था, एलियन में किस प्रजाति का था, क्या था. तो उसने उसको मैन नहीं बोला. ही करेक्टेड कि नहीं, सॉरी, ang, his name is ang, was the most amiable. Bonko Babu finished his speech and slapped Bhairav Chakrabarti's back so hard that he choked. मजे मजे में नहीं पीठ पे मारते हैं. इसने भी बोंको बाबू को मारा था, इसने भी मार दिया इसको. Then he made his exit, striding out with a bounce and a whistle and eyes sparkling and his head held high. मतलब बड़े उससे एकदम सीना चौड़ करके किया था, गया डांस करते हुए बढ़िया. In the same instant, a cup fell from Ram Kanai's hand, shattering to pieces and splattering hot tea on most of the others. भाई राम कनाई के होश उड़ गए, होश उड़ गए और होश उड़ गए. फिर उसके बाद चाय भी गिर गई, सबका सत्यानाश हो गया. So this is where my first, actually a chapter ends. So मैंने इसको 2 पार्ट में बनाया था. I hope you have watched the first video as well. Of course देखा होगा, मैं बीच में कैसे आएंगे. So please do tell me in the comments, is there anything in your doubt, or you can DM me on my Instagram. I'll try to respond in each and every comment or DM I get. Um, just give me chances because I'll need to try and first get into that stream what you're actually wanting, because this is my first time be it editing and I've told you everything, so it's very new for me. So I'm just trying, and I'm not that well digitally equipped, but I've tried and I have my whole setup here. So मैंने काफ़ी कुछ setup कर रखा था, and I hope this mic is working pretty good. So let's see what are your views. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. And slowly I think the next video I'll deal with the poem now, because एक story एक poem मैंने सोच के रखा है, and as soon as I'll be finished with these stories and poems I'll take up the Julius Caesar, है ना. क्योंकि जूलियस सीजर की मैंने देखा है कि दे आर एक्चुअली सोर्सेज ऑन द इंटरनेट, दे आर वीडियोज एंड एवरीथिंग, बट इनके लिए कम है. बट आई विल ट्राई कि जूलियस सीजर भी मैं वैसे ही पढ़ाऊँ जैसे मैंने इनके अप्रोचेज में लिया है, ताकि you get to know the important things and the things, because if you get to know about the story and if there's an imagination na, so you can deal with the every reference to context you are getting and the understanding questions है ना, analysis वाले. बाकी recall वाले तो आप कर ले जाएंगे in the exams, उसमें दिक्कत नहीं आती है. recall और understanding में आती है, and that analysis is important. So I hope मैंने काफ़ी हद तक इसमें analysis कर दी थी. अगर आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर वीडियो चाहिए कि कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स चाहिए कि भाई कैरेक्टर स्केचेस में क्या क्या लिखना है वगैरह वगैरह, सो मैं टेलीग्राम लिंक जहाँ तक शेयर कर दूंगा, तो उस पर मैं बोंको बाबू वाला वो डाल दूंगा, है ना। तो आप देख लेना और मुझे बताना